The other thing you want to do is if you're doing a full count as opposed to a cycle count, you want to map your store because you're going to count every area of the store. And you're going to estimate your areas to be about 45 minutes of counting. 30 minutes is okay. An hour is probably, the maximum you want to go. But estimate, map out your store, draw out the areas, try and make it for about, 45 minutes of scanning if you're using handhelds, or 45 minutes to an hour of writing things down. So that would be just, breaks for people, honestly. Decide what you're going to do if items are delivered the day before or the day of your inventory. Are you going to count them? Are you not going to count them? How do you separate them from the count that you are doing if you're not counting them? And then the odds and ends. Everybody has them, those odd items that haven't sold, they're singular on the stock. Or if you're holding items for customers to pick up, try and get the items to be picked up by the customer or the vendors, or make your adjustments if you're kind of waiting on that. But finish processing or place them back into inventory so that you can count them.